In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms toniques, but more precisely, we will see toi. So, let's see together first what are les pronoms toniques. Stress pronouns in French, also known as disjunctive or emphatic pronouns, are used to emphasize or reinforce a particular element in a sentence. So this is really important. Remember, you will use les pronoms toniques to emphasize or reinforce an element that is in the sentence. And the second thing that is extremely important is that unlike subject pronouns, the stressed pronouns are used in various positions within a sentence for emphasis or clarification. So these pronouns will have this possibility to occupy various positions in the sentence. So this lesson is about toi, and the stressed pronoun toi can be translated into English as you. So let's have a look at toi with examples. Toi, tu aimes la musique classique. Toi, tu aimes la musique classique. Ce cadeau est pour toi. Ce cadeau est pour toi. Entre toi et moi, c'est un secret. Entre toi et moi, c'est un secret. Toi, tu comprends toujours mes blagues. Toi, tu comprends toujours mes blagues.